Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken lollipop, which is also known as drums of heaven. This is super delicious recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below, or you haven't subscribed already, this is the time. You hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week, that way you don't miss out on upcoming videos. I will show you guys how to make a chicken lollipop with the drumlets. Here I have chicken drumlets and I'm going to just detach the skin and also any cartilage that we have in the chicken drumlets. Now as you can see, I'm just going to push the meat down, holding the bone upside, and just pull the meat towards down and just scoop it all the way. Just scoop it all the way in the front, that way you get nice lollipop shape. If you have any excess skin or anything, just cut it off and then it takes a good shape. I will show you another one. As you can see, there's the cartilage and the skin, that's the bone, and I'm holding the drumlet head, and then I'm going to just cut the skin off and any cartilage that is attached to the skin, and then I'm going to push the meat towards down, and you want to just push all the meat down, and then you can just scoop all the meat towards the front, and there you have the chicken lollipop. It's so easy. It's not a rocket science. You can do it at home. You just have to make sure you handle the knife safe. Here I have 1.5 pound chicken lollipop, around 17 chicken lollipop. Here I have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon chili powder. I'm using turmeric chili powder for the color, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon salt or as needed, 1 tablespoon soy sauce in a big bowl, and just whisk it. Now once you whisk it, add the chicken lollipop and we are going to mix them until all the chicken lollipop is well coated. Now I'm going to transfer this into a big bowl because later on we're going to do some more marination. Now I'm going to marinate overnight, or even like a couple of hours is great. Now it's been sitting for a couple of hours. To this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons corn flour and 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour. If your quantity of chicken is less, then you reduce the quantity. I am using 2 medium eggs. I'm going to add 1 now and 1 later. 1 tablespoon chili powder. Again, we are going to add this for color. We are not using the food color. I'm adding the second egg now, and I'm going to go ahead and mix them until it's nicely incorporated and the batter looks nice right now. And at this point you can keep it to marinate for like 15 to 20 minutes. Now the oil is already preheating. I'm going to check with little batter. It looks good. Now I'm going to add all the chicken lollipop. Just add as many as it can take. You don't want to overcrowd them and steam them away. You want nice crispiness to the chicken lollipop. It will take around 5 minutes to 6 minutes to cook through, and it's on medium high heat. You don't want it to burn. You want the chicken to cook through. Now it's all done. Now we are going to prepare the sauce. To prepare the sauce, I have a big kadai or a pan. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. Go ahead and saute it until nice fragrant. You don't want to brown them. Here I have 2 teaspoons chili paste. This is a homemade chili paste. I soaked the chili and I grinded them with the garlic and added some vinegar and some oil. Here I have 2 tablespoons tomato paste and 2 tablespoons ketchup. Go ahead and add them. Salt as needed, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. If you want to add pepper, you can add that as well at this stage. Now I'm going to cook until it releases the oil. As you can see, the sides, the oil has been released. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons water, not more than that. Now let it cook until it gets thickened up. Again, the oil releases from the side. To this I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons sugar to cut any acidity. Now I'm going to add all the chicken lollipops into the mixture, the gravy, and then we are going to mix it nicely. It will take a couple of minutes because you want the chicken to be well coated. Just take time and do it slowly. My heat is still on medium heat. Now I'm going to add the cilantro to garnish, and I've still kept my heat on medium heat. Just keep turning them and have this flavor in it. Now it's all ready. You can serve this with some chutney of your choice and some cucumber. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any question, let me know on the comments below. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.